In this video, I will be disassembling this Lexus RC350 LED headlight. I will begin by removing the Phillips head screws holding the lens to the body. The screw on this bottom inside corner is a Security T20 torque screw. In total, I removed 5 screws. Next, I'm going to remove the Afs motor. It is an 8mm socket. When removing the Afs motor, you want to turn this nut slowly and take your time with this. Turning it too rapidly and too far will damage the internals of the motor. Next, I will cut off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. I'm going to begin by removing the screws holding in the turn signal reflector. Next, I'm going to disconnect the wire harnesses from the two ballast and remove the screws holding them in place. Next, I'll remove the Phillips head screws holding on the chrome shroud. Next, I'll remove the Phillips head screws holding the projectors in place. In order to release the projectors, I need to disconnect this wire harness connector. The projector bracket has a connector here and here. I'm going to disconnect both from the mounting points and pull the bracket out. Now I just need to pop the wire harness connector through the bottom of the light. The headlight housing is now empty. Next, I'll remove the wire harness connector from the rear of both projectors. Each projector is connected to the heat sink using 2 Phillips head screws. The low beam is connected on top, the high beam is connected on the bottom. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here's the corner LED. This is the low beam controller This is the high beam controller. This is the high beam projector. This is the low beam projector. Notice that they look similar, but the low beam projector is wider than the high beam projector. Here is the heatsink for both projectors. It is one unit. Here is the low beam LED. Here is the high beam LED. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.